In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up custom object pipelines automation. If you're working in HubSpot and want your custom objects to move through clean, repeatable stages with helpful, hands-off workflows, you're in the right place. We'll walk through where to find the settings, how to choose the correct custom object, and where to turn on automation so your team saves time and stays consistent. Start on your HubSpot dashboard. This is your home base. Make sure you're in the right account and that you have permission to edit objects and pipelines, since we'll be updating configuration that affects your team. From here, open Settings, the gear icon in the top navigation. Settings is where HubSpot keeps all the controls for objects, pipelines, and automation. So everything we need will be in this area. In the left sidebar, select Objects. This section lists standard objects like contacts and deals, along with any custom objects your team has created. It's the hub for structure and behavior across your CRM. At the top of that page, open the Object Type dropdown. This menu lets you switch between different objects so you can tailor settings to each one instead of applying changes globally. Choose Projects. If your organization uses a different custom object name, select that instead. The process is the same regardless of naming. With the object selected, go to the Pipelines section. Pipelines define the stages an object can move through and are the foundation for any automation you'll add. So it's worth confirming. Your stages reflect your real process before proceeding. Inside Pipelines, open Pipeline Rules. Rules help govern behavior, what's required to move forward, how records are labeled, and which actions can run. So your team follows a consistent path. Now select Automate. This is the control center for triggering actions when a record enters, exits, or moves between stages. Define what should happen automatically, like notifying a team, assigning ownership, or creating a task at key stages. Keep rules focused on real outcomes and avoid overlaps that try to do the same thing. As you configure, give each rule a clear name and description so others understand its purpose. Double-check stage selections and conditions, and preview any messages for tone and accuracy. If your team uses SLAs or handoffs, align your triggers to those moments, not every minor change. When you're satisfied, save your changes. Saving publishes the rules to your pipeline, so new movements will follow the automation you've defined. If you want to pause or revise anything later, return to the same Automate area and update or disable individual rules. That's it. You started from the dashboard, opened Settings, chose your custom object via the dropdown, navigated to Pipelines, reviewed pipeline rules, and configured Automate before saving. Follow these steps whenever you refine an existing process, and your team will spend less time clicking and more time moving work forward.